So in retirement, when it comes time to start generating income, that means you take the assets that you've accumulated and try to sort of duplicate your paycheck. Along with that comes some major tax implications. My guest to talk about that is Tom Boodt, who practices in Holland, Michigan. So, Tom, beginning with retirement planning and income planning, when it comes time to generate income, we're talking about tapping into accounts, retirement accounts like IRAs and 401ks, and that creates a tax liability. Talk about the 401k.
Well, most people know when they invest in their 401k, they're deducting their contributions made, and they know that all of the income will be taxed at retirement. Sometimes they're surprised that their tax bracket is not as low as they were expecting when they retired, because they have less deductions, on their tax return, and they're also surprised at maybe how much they've earned in their portfolio that created a lot more gain than expected.
So Tom, now turning our attention to IRAs, there are required minimum distributions, affectionately known as RMDs, and everybody hates those, but that's how the government gets paid back. So is there a way to minimize the taxation on these?
Well, RMDs are a result of your account value, so it's a percentage of that. So we have ways that you can reposition your assets in your retirement account to lower that, so the RMDs will be lower, and then we can create a tax-free income stream.
Well, finally, Tom, talk about how one can use life insurance to actually create tax-advantaged income.
For younger people, they could consider funding a life insurance policy to create a tax-free growth and tax-free income instead of using full contributions into a deductible 401k. And the older people that are closer to retirement can look at their account value and reposition their assets to be able to create a tax-free income stream off of the repositioned assets, lower their retirement account so there's less RMDs created, so they can pay less tax.
Thanks, Tom. Appreciate your time and expertise today.
You're welcome.
That's Tom Boodt. He practices in Holland, Michigan, and thanks for watching Retirement News Online.